we're going to do today is I'm going to take you around a test room today at Wigston.
Yes.
Woo!
Ooh.
Yes, woo indeed. So we've done a few lessons in Kettering. What we're going to do today is you're going to run a test route, which you're about to do now.
Yeah.
And you can tell me what you think about it.
Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called My First Specialist in Young Driver Insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a great company to deal with.
Flamboyant, wasn't it?
Yeah. Go through. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I'm seeing the new Moana.
Are you?
Yeah.
I saw Wicked last week.
Did you like it?
I loved it.
Oh,
Can you go a little bit
Richard.
more progressively?
You are my new favourite person. I love Wicked.
I saw it at the cinema, those big comfy reclining seats.
Yeah.
Oh, turn left. That was Savoy in Corby.
That's where I saw it.
Yeah, great. Cinema number 2.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Took the block, well done. So, bus. Give
Yes.
priority to buses moving out. Now, I quite like that position that Audi just kept it back a little bit.
Yeah.
And didn't take that long. Now, since you love the Pork Pie Roundabout so much, let's go and drive it.
Yeah. Never done it.
Okay,
It's always first time for everything, though.
certainly is.
Also, I think if you deem it to be so difficult, then you're just going to build this anxiety around it.
Well, exactly is. You do
think
build
you
it
just
up. You
need to,
put it on a
like-
pedestal of fear. Follow the road, first exit. Quite good. It's quite closed, that little mini roundabout.
Yeah.
Now, if you're coming that way, it's really, you can see where you're going. Second exit. Okay, let's concentrate on this. Don't get any closer.
I'm gonna stay
Get to the
here.
middle.
Yeah. Let's see a car.
Okay.
coming.
What do you think?
I'll take off.
Well, you let the bus driver might know what you're doing. You got a signal. Check behind you as well. So you've got a signal there. He's in there. He's going to benefit the fact you're committed.
I probably need to signal back in, so I'm not going to drive.
Now, what you can do is you judge how many people are coming. If no one's gone off,
Yeah.
imminently that bus is going.
I make sure you're looking for pedestrians crossing in front. Ask
Yeah,
some questions
absolutely.
On the
Absolutely, because a lot of people on buses don't drive. They
Yeah.
don't, they're aware how vulnerable they are. At the roundabout, take the first exit and follow the road ahead.
Let's get signal follow, so I don't need a left signal then.
Yeah, because they should think it benefits. Okay. This roundabout, just follow the road ahead, first exit, please.
Slow down. Opening up. And we're good to go.
Good. Yeah, we didn't need to change gear, did we? Now, this roundabout, Eve, I'm going to ask you to take the third exit and follow the road, please. Look at this. Are you going in the bus lane here?
No.
Because
It's the bus lane?
it's full time.
Yes.
Now, hold that thought about, is it full time?
Okay. So.
Now, you're following the road ahead. Which lane will that be?
Left.
Ideally, the left. Now, what are you going to check before you smooth across it?
Buses.
Good. You don't need a signal because that's it. Now, on this left side, there are 6 exits on this roundabout, including our 6th one coming back on the cells. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the Pork Pie Roundabout. Hence the
Oh,
Pork
okay.
Pie Library over there. That's why it's called a Pork Pie Roundabout.
I thought it was going to be like a roundabout like upside down or something.
So all you're doing, keep going,
That's one.
move on. That's 1. Count your roundabouts. Sticking, there's some paint, stick to it.
Yeah,
Look down
that's
there,
2.
signal left. Off you go. That's going to merge in, have an awareness of cars on the right. Brilliant, follow the road down. Put that there. Now, I think the routes are easier in Wigston, but it's a lot busier.
More
So you have a lot more interaction with other road
Yeah.
users, who can be quite unpredictable sometimes.
Yeah.
Right, follow the road.
Just come out slightly.
Could be coming up a gear. Could third gear do what second gear's doing here?
Yes.
I think it could be. There we go. You're working the engine less. You're saving the planet with less fuel or something like that. Notice the cycle lanes. Notice they are dashed. So if a car was waiting to turn right, we could check the mirrors
Yeah.
and come round.
So you come in
You're
if we
following
need
the
to.
road down. Eve, what's the time?
9:28.
9:28.
Yes.
Okay. Hold that thought.
Oh, okay. Is it going to be a bit
It's like you can read my mind. Or you watch my videos too much.
No, I actually haven't seen these ones.
Okay, what's the speed limit down here?
30.
What's the we do 30 then?
Nothing.
Okay.
Progressive.
We're progress. We're following the road ahead. Which, based on the boards.
Left.
Okay. What's the time, Eve?
9:29 now.
9:29. Okay.
That says 7 till it's covered. 8.
It says till 9:30. So it's 9:29.
So I'm not allowed.
What are we
in
going?
it.
You're not allowed in the bus lane. That's it. So
Should I
check your mirrors.
switch it?
No, you're going to come across. It's not 9:30.
Should I switch at 9:30? Just for
Yeah,
the
just bring it in.
no-nos?
Yeah, it's just sheer hell of it. It's 9:30. Get in that lane.
Oh,
So the thing is, you got the 9 o'clock test. You got to keep your wits about you.
yeah.
And the examiner will say something like, just to let you know, it's 9:25. He's telling you that for a blooming good reason.
Yeah.
And the reason is, don't go in the bus lane. Or you need to go in the bus lane depending on what the time is. He's not just telling you the time because he's curious. Oh look, it's 9:30 now.
Should I go in it for the O-Los?
Well,
No. I don't need to.
you can do if you want. If it's okay in your left, bring it across.
Good, yeah.
But I would just actually
Yeah,
you're here now. I think it's less risk because the bus lane's ending.
I'm not going
Just
to
to
make
stay
a point
here.
about it. I'm just...
Because if you come across, someone might try to overtake you. Then you got yourself a meat situation. Are we good?
Yeah.
Go on green then. Because it doesn't get any greener, does it?
No.
See, look on the inside.
Yeah. Okay.
See, and this is why you got to check that side.
Understood.
What does slashing amber mean?
You can go.
If
there's no pedestrians around to us.
What's the time, Eve?
9:30.
What's the board?
7:30 to 9:30.
Where are you going to go, Eve?
Bus lane.
Yay. There you go. See?
I
Gathering,
feel like such a little
taking
rebel.
and using
Keep
information.
clear.
Good game, please.
Oh, I can go.
Where's the keep clear stop?
Yeah.
It's there, isn't it? Now, if you had a car behind you and you stop, and people think you're going to stop there, what's going to happen? We're going to increase the probability of...
Being back-ended.
Exactly. So, they give way to you. Don't change the rules of the road. They don't know legislation's changed according to
Yes.
the rule of Eve.
I feel like such a little rebel being
Why?
in the bus lane.
It's not a bus
I
lane.
know,
It's not a
but
bus lane, it's just a lane.
I know, but going into it.
Stop being a bus lane 2 minutes ago. 1 minute ago.
Yeah.
Being a bit rebel going over 30 though, Eve. I thought I'd just say that. Even though you're not actually breaking the speed limit at 31, you're doing about 28, but I'll just use that. At the end of the road at the traffic lights, please, I'd like you to turn left. So it's very easy to trip yourself up if you don't take and use the information provided. Yeah. Just make sure that person doesn't know the rules and thinks suddenly swing across. He might think it's a bus lane. So you've got to be extra careful, extra vigilant. So there's a lot of potential things to go wrong, isn't there? Look at the traffic light. There is another light to the left of the green light. What do you think that light's going to be?
Filter light. Filter light.
Filter light for going left, isn't it? So we're going to keep an eye on that. So we ain't going to drive past the King Power Stadium, unfortunately. Well, we are sort of. You see the filter light came on there. So there we go. Around we go. And so it's 9:30, Eve. What are you going to do with this bus lane?
Can be in it if I want to be.
Can you?
Yes.
What's it say?
At any time. So I
Okay.
can be in it at any time.
No, it's
Oh,
a
no,
bus
you-
lane at any time, you muppet. It wouldn't be a bus lane if you could be in at any... Eve, think it through. So we can gear up, muppet.
Sorry, you just got me really hooked on bus lane.
You can go in any time you want. Buses, cars, bicycles, it's a free-for-all.
Oh, Eve, you are stupid.
Oh, you said that, not me.
Yeah.
We'll just check your left-hand side.
No buses.
Okay, good one.
Because you're not any cars are allowed in there. Oh, that was a mental slap in the head.
This is why I love teaching you, Eve, because you are the gift that doesn't stop giving. You're like all my Christmases and birthdays rolled into one every week.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically, don't go in there.
Yeah, no, it. examiner would be like, what the hell is
What the hell is your logic there? It's like you don't deserve to drive. You're clearly.
Oh, just because I'm just living the bus lane life.
You're in the bus lane life.
4 minutes.
So you've got bicycle lanes here as well. Now this is solid, this one, isn't it?
So I can't go into it.
Can't go into it at all.
There's also lampposts.
There's also things.
that are stopping me from.
I've never seen a bicycle in this bicycle lane.
No, ever.
Ever.
Oh. Maybe they should get rid of it then. But do they have?
Oh no, that wouldn't be moving forwards with times, would it?
Surely moving backwards if you're driving a bicycle.
So how long is it? Do you reckon you'll get electric vehicle only lanes?
Oh, that's just create a
That's
hierarchy.
inevitable, isn't it? Hierarchy of road users. So there are buses and bus lanes at the moment, obviously, and taxis most of the time, and bicycles. How long will it be until EVs only?
Hopefully quite
Another
long.
stick to wave at you, nasty petrol person.
Because that's just a bit hierarchical. Is that a word?
It certainly is hierarchical. That's a word.
I'm making it a word.
You're making a word. Go for it. Now, speed camera at 30. Why have they given you that sign?
To tell you there's a speed camera there.
Yeah. It feels very slow, doesn't it? It feels very slow. Now, we're going to be following the road ahead. Look at the planning board. Look at the road markings very carefully. Which lane you're going to go? Okay, good.
And there is a bus there.
Okay, well,
But not
can we
for
come
a while,
across?
yeah.
Come across then, that's it. Make sure you check it. Good. Don't need a signal if it's not going to benefit anyone in that situation. If there's a bus there and you're a bit in front of it, I'll just pop the signal. Thing is, if you signal there, it could be misleading.
Confusing to go in there.
You're going to have to make a balance of probability. If there's someone there and there's a bus behind you, or if there's no one there and a bus behind you, it might be a different signal depending on how you interact with other road users. Now, following this road, and we're going to just follow the road ahead, please. So that says all routes. So even if I was turning right, I'd be taking this lane. All routes is that way, that way, that way. And if you're going around to Foss Park, it's just down and around.
Just making sure.
You got the right point.
Yeah.
Jolly good. Excellent. Follow the road ahead, please. Just watch that lorry on the left in case he swings. Excellent. Follow the road. Notice we've gone from 40 to
30.
If you miss that sign, you go. So you get the old. It's very easy to carry on at the old.
Speed.
Thanks for finishing off the sentence. Good. So keep following the road, please, Eve.
He's indicated, so I presume he's going home. But it's fine, he's gone before.
Maybe someone else is home. Now, traffic lights, I'll let you to turn left, please.
Okay. The first set of traffic lights, yeah.
Yeah, when's he coming up to you? So Rebecca and I are starting a podcast.
Oh!
Oh yes.
You're going to have guests on your podcast?
Well, we're going to start them from our car as a studio.
Oh,
We might have a guest in the back. You never know.
I'd love to.
Or might be leaning over, getting questions in like that. Just a curve on the left there. So we're just going to talk absolute rubbish. There's no change there.
Where are you gonna upload it?
To YouTube and TikTok. It's a separate channel though. We're creating a separate Richard and Rebecca TikTok
Do
account.
you know what you're gonna call it?
I don't know. I need some suggestions.
Just podcast with you and Rebecca. Okay. Let me get my creative mind thinking.
It has to have Richard and Rebecca in it.
Yes.
Something with Richard and Rebecca. And another thing with Richard and Rebecca. That just makes you sound angry, doesn't it?
needs to be something with Richard and Rebecca. That's
We're
fine.
not a couple with Richard and Rebecca.
Yeah, that would be quite funny.
How about that?
Yeah. I'd back that one.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Stop people asking, wouldn't it?
Yeah, hang on. Am I going straight ahead?
Yeah, second next to follow the road. That's got a ring about it, actually. Okay. What are you stopping for? Do you give way to the left? Is that the normal thing to do? Bit of a mess.
Yeah, it's so much of a mess.
It's like a roundabout's caught you by surprise. It's like you've never
It's not
driven
exactly
one
a
before.
hard roundabout either.
No, it's just a mini roundabout. You were there before that car. Car comes up, you look at it and go, oh. Remember, it's a potential hazard, not a developing hazard. But be careful over that bridge. Straight ahead, second exit. Follow the road. Just go for it.
That's fine.
That's it. Just make sure you don't hit the curbs if you're going through too fast. It's quite easy to get an old clonk there. If you come through too fast,
Yeah.
you're going to have trouble steering back into them.
You're not allowed to go over the disc, are you?
Well,
Because-
as long as the car on the other side could comfortably do what they're meant to be doing, it's okay. The higher case is you shouldn't go on the disc. But if it means you're not going to clonk a curb by going on the disc, then
Yeah.
go on the disc, use your common sense. Go a bit faster, get yourself back in, get yourself in. That's it. If you're going to go faster, you've got to come in, haven't you?
Yeah.
Otherwise you're just going to the vehicle quicker. We're not a couple, like with Richard and Rebecca. No, it's just two.
Yeah, no.
There's got to be something related to two. What's another word for couple?
Hair.
Hair.
Like pear.
Oh, pear.
Not hair.
Not hair.
I don't know, I'm trying to think.
Hair and bear. I don't know. At the traffic lights, turning left. What are you going to go around this?
Second using physics.
Were you going to do that, or realise it's too late and
no,
turn it down the
it's
panic
fine.
like that?
Don't you worry, Richard.
Preemptively, proactively.
Yeah.
Proactive gear change, whatever next.
Might actually start thinking. Might know what bus lanes mean. Oh, I can't believe I said that.
Which gear are you going to go around this in? Preemptively. Okay.
Oh, we're back to where we started.
Yeah, back to the test centre we are. There we go.
Oh.
Now, do you want to just turn right here?
This bit.
Yeah. We're not going to go into the test centre. It's going to go around the outside. We'll pull up. We'll get the cameras. We'll just have a quick. We'll do that quick message too. Have a cheer a day up. Okay. Okay.
I quite like Wigston. I quite like Wigston. I thought it was alright.
Yeah.
I thought, do you know when we got to Pork Pie Roundabout?
You've got to gather information.
Yeah. It's a lot more like anticipating meeting cars.
You've got to get the information from the signs.
Yeah.
Now, you'll pick that up over time with familiarity. I mean, you should be doing it anyway.
Yeah, and then again also, you've got to do that when you pass your test. So like, there's no harm in doing it now.
A lot of observations of two lanes coming one lane, one lane coming two lanes, and end of the bus.
bus
We
lane.
saw that taxi come. We just
Yeah.
cloud on there. You'd had a
You'd
collision.
had
Or we wouldn't have had a collision on test. The exam was just done. Oh no, you don't. Physical. So there we go.
Button for driving.